This is Station 7. I can hear you. Tell me your location.
This entire cinematic sequence was created from a single story idea. No camera, no actors, and no complicated editing. In this video, I will show you how to turn on the idea into a complete cinematic storyboard and animated every scene using totally free AI tools. So let's start. So friends, first of all, go to Google and search the Flow AI and click our first website in Flow AI and create a new project. So it is our Flow AI interface, and go to tools section and select the tools option. So it is a tools option, my tools, community and template. Lots of tools here. AI subtitle generator automatically and brand casual builder. Lots of tools here. I can search our most popular tools, storyboard tools. So I can search our tools, storyboard tools, vector sketch, my tools, go to my tools and storyboard tools template. Now go to our storyboard tools and scroll down, and it is our storyboard studio. First of all, community, and then template and size, and some scroll down and find the storyboard story and select the option. Open a new interface here. I just start a realistic scene. You can need the 2D animation or 3D animation video. You can select here and also option here. So I need a realistic, so I can select the realistic here and select and get started. Now this is our storyboard interface and give me a single line of idea for our movie. So friends, I paste a single line of our idea here and hit the generate. Now write a full script, our movie and character prompt, scenery, location, everything. Just wait some time. This storyboard studio create our movie name, The Last Signal. It is our first scene. It is our radio's voice and our other dialogue here and asset here. Okay, it is our asset. So character prompt here, I just auto fill the character. Select here, all character is fill automatically, and also the location here auto fill, and props here auto fill, and everything auto fill here, totally free of cost. Okay, just wait some time and automatically fill the all option, our character section and location section and also crop section. Okay, just wait some time. This storyboard complete the work 3 steps. First of all, you paste your idea, then write a script full scene, and second you can asset here. It is our character, first character generated is the second character generated. It is our first character named Zulaikha, and radio voice, it is our second character, and Thailia third character, and most of the character is generated here. So wait some time. So fans, our storyboard assist all ready here. So our all assist is ready, and first of all our script ready, asset ready, and now ready our storyboard. Okay, and similarly our first scene here, and fill the autofill and select the autofill scene. All scene is generated just single command. Okay, and second also autofilled here, and third section option also autofilled here, and also autofilled here, and also autofilled, and also autofilled, and all scene I can select manually autofilled. Now this storyboard create a full story image for our movie. Autofill manually not, you can generate automatically use our character, use our location and use our crops. Okay, just wait some time. Our tools is fully storyboard generated in a single moment. So friends, our first storyboard scene is ready, our emergency broadcast station night. So it is our first scene, our story, and it is our second scene. So friends, our storyboard almost here. I can just done our all story image save here. Use the done. Our first storyboard image already, and go to image section. It is our all image is ready. Our first section and location, our character is here. So I can use our all image for our video generation purpose. I can create our video here, and it's the visualization style. It is our home, it is our other location. So I can create now video. Okay, it is our image, and first of all I can use the image for download here and go to video generation prompt, making a video generation prompt. Okay, just making video generation from all images download here. So download here and go to ChatGPT and paste our downloaded image here and our storyboard story and comment a single prompt. So fans, just comment a single prompt. You can give me a video generation prompt from the image. So ChatGPT give me a video generation prompt in a single moment. Just wait some time. So ChatGPT give me a video generation prompt. The last podcast, it is our videos and image. Use our first image and create a video. It is our video generation prompt here. ChatGPT give me a prompt. Also lip sync and dialogue here. So need dialogue here. So ChatGPT give me also dialogue, our video generation prompt here. So wait some time. So ChatGPT give me a dialogue, our video generation prompt. Give me another comment. You can add the dialogue inside the each video generation prompt. So we can use a copy and paste here. This is our first video generation prompt. I copy this prompt and go to Flow AI and select our image and paste our video generation prompt and go to video model and select Omni Flash and 8 seconds, just generate it. Now generate our first video clip here and again selected this image and again generated our first image to video here and second image to video here, and again our third prompt and copy and go to Flow AI third prompt. So wait some time, our 3 video is ready, and finally I can use Flow AI give you regular 15 credit for free user. So you can use this credit and you can make a storyboard totally free and make a video 40 video 5 or 6 video is daily. So our first video is ready here. I can play this video.
Can anyone hear me? This is an emergency transmission.
What is this signal?
It's totally amazing. So it is our second video.
If anyone can hear this, lock every door. Do not go outside.
Who are you? What's happening out there?
So it is our third video. So one by one I can create the whole video.
This is Station 7. I can hear you. Tell me your location.
Location doesn't matter. You're already too late.
It is totally amazing and totally realistic. So I hope this video helped your video generation journey and filmmaking journey. Please hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Stay with Hasan Ali, learn AI, build skill and create your future. Thank you.